project is called Mainstream Predictor. And let's actually start off with, have you guys ever wondered if your favorite artist is going to come up or come down? You can answer that question by using our project. We utilize Spotify's API by tracking the artist's main information, the total number of streams. And we use that to identify factors that we can use to find out how popular they are and what contributes to the total success. And to predict their popularity, we use statistical models and machine learning algorithms that were able to forecast how popular they'll be in the future. And for our data set itself, we had to track the artists' names, the popularity scores they had, which we inputted ourselves, the total number of streams they have across all of their genres, and the data sources, which includes their albums and their images.
So our data processing and analysis, we use pandas and NumPy to rank the data and process the data. Then we use Matplotlib to visualize the data, and we use the Spotify API for Python to extract the information of the specific artists.
To get a kind of sense of what it means for an artist to be popular, we created this heat map to see like the comparisons of the features and popularity. So you can see things like loudness and energy have high correlations with each other, as well as like valence and acousticness. From there, we also went to create a linear regression model to kind of forecast how popular an artist will be over the years. You can see generally across all artists, they have a slight increase over the years. Very popular artists like Taylor Swift will have a general decrease in popularity over a set amount of years. Kind of mid-tier artists that are around like the 50 to 70% popularity have like a slight increase, and more underground artists have a more increase in popularity.
And then using this, we were able to create a logistical regression to essentially predict within a 5-year span the probability of an artist becoming popular. So for example, Drake, he's already popular, he is the mainstream, so it's always 100%, as you can see top right. But other artists, it'll take either like year 3, year 4 for them to become popular.
Some of our challenges that we had were data limitations. Our model wasn't 100% accurate. We had some technical hurdles like our web app, as we couldn't really convert all of our data after we did EDA into CSV files. So that led to like the partial incompletion of our web application, which was basically to take our project to the next level. And that tech stack included technologies like JavaScript, CSS, React.js, and Flask. And Flask was like exceptionally helpful for us as it handled our front end and back end data communication.